October is National Fire Prevention Month, and there are three quick things you can do in your home today to make it just a little bit safer. Tip number one is go reset all the breakers in your electrical panel. This makes sure the mechanisms aren't locked up and that they can reset when they need to. Tip number two, if you have any loose outlets or switches or outlets that don't hold the prongs in very well and you have to plug things in just right to get them to stay, go ahead and get those replaced. Those can cause really serious fire hazards if they're not addressed in time. Tip number three, make sure all of the light bulbs you have screwed into your light fixtures are rated appropriately. Most fixtures will have a sticker on them that says 60 watt bulbs only or something similar to that. That's to prevent overheating, and it's really, really important. Those bulbs can cause fires if they overheat too often.